In the heart of a workplace, safety is not just the goal, it's the way of life. Today, we're going to explore the numerous benefits of first aid preparedness for your workplace. A safer workplace is the cornerstone of a thriving and successful organization. Let's delve into the advantages of being prepared for emergencies through first aid. And here are the key benefits to consider: the reduced workplace accidents and injuries, lower workers' compensation costs, decreased downtime and increased productivity, enhanced employee morale and engagement, improved brand image and reputation. First aid preparedness is not just about safety, it's about the overall well-being and success of your workplace. It's about knowing that your employees are safe and your business is thriving. A safer workplace is not just a concept, it's a reality that benefits everyone. Because in your workplace, safety is the foundation of success.